Hey there, this is Amir Khan for Physics Real. In today's video, we will deal with ray optics, especially with the reflection part. Let us start with light. Light is a source of energy which helps us to see things. Light is an electromagnetic wave. It means that light is transverse in nature. Since light is an electromagnetic wave, it does not require a medium to travel. We are able to see things because light falls on an object and after falling on it, it is reflected or it bounces back to our eyes. The light coming from that object to our eyes make us to see the thing. Reflection is the phenomenon in which light after falling on an object, on a hard object, bounces back. Suppose this is our hard surface at which a ray of light strikes and then goes away. If from the point at which it struck I draw a perpendicular, the point where the light ray was incident is called point of incidence. The ray of light which struck is called incident ray. The ray of light which reflected away is called a reflected ray. The perpendicular drawn is called normal. Angle between the incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence. Angle between the reflected ray and normal is called angle of reflection. Laws of reflection. Reflection follows two laws. The first law is that the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal all lie in the same plane. The second law is that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Angle I equals angle R. A mirror is a highly reflecting surface which is polished from the other end. There are two types of mirror in general, a plane mirror and a curved mirror. Curved mirror are further divided into two parts, a concave mirror and a convex mirror. A plane mirror is a plane reflecting surface polished from one end. A curved mirror is a curved reflecting surface polished from one end. Curved mirrors are further subdivided into two parts, concave mirror and convex mirror. A concave mirror is a mirror in which the inner side is reflecting and the bulging part is polished. Convex mirror is one in which the inner side is polished and the bulging part is reflecting. Terms related to mirror. Let us consider we have a mirror. Center of the mirror is called its pole. The total length of the mirror is called its aperture. If we consider that this mirror is a part of a sphere, then the center of that sphere is called center of curvature. Distance between pole and center of curvature is called radius of curvature. An imaginary line joining the center of curvature and pole is called principal axis. If I have a ray of light parallel to the principal axis which strikes the mirror, After striking the mirror, it will always pass through principal focus. Distance between the principal focus and pole is called focal length. According to sign convention, all the distances are measured from pole. Second, distances to the left of pole are taken as negative. Distances to the right of pole are taken as positive. Upward heights are taken as positive. Downward heights are taken as negative. We have rules for image formation. Rule number 1 is that a ray of light moving parallel to principal axis after reflection comes back through focus. Rule number 2 is that a ray of light passing through principal focus after reflection comes back parallel. Rule number 3 is that a ray of light falling on the pole is reflected by the same angle, which is angle I equals to angle R. Rule number 4 is that a ray of light passing through center of curvature retraces its path. So this is all for today's video. In the next video on ray optics, we will start from image formation by a concave mirror, move on to convex mirror, prove mirror formula, and then solve some numericals on it too. Till then, goodbye.